Smart switch. After a quick setup on an iOS device, iPhone or iPad required, easily create scenes, groups, and automation with the Apple Home app. Ask Siri to set the scene from your HomePod, Apple Watch, Apple TV, or Apple mobile device. Voice-activated convenience. Let Siri adjust lighting for you with just your voice. Easy to install. Compact size and sleek plug-in design fit the aesthetics of any room, no wiring required. No hub required. Smart dimmer switch from Legrand connects to your 2.4 GHz home Wi-Fi network and doesn't require a hub. Just wire, set up on the app, requires an iOS device, and you're ready to go. Compatibility. Choose from a full suite of coordinating devices by Legrand to outfit your home with smart technology. Top reviews from the United States. Works better than I expected. I bought 2 of these, to automate and voice control the lighting in my bedroom. These were my first additions to Apple HomeKit. A couple months ago, I had set up HomeKit, so when these dimmers arrived, I was ready to go. After reading the instructions twice, it really was plug and play, except for one thing. Plugged the lamp into the switch. Scanned the code on the switch, it took less than 2 seconds for my phone to recognize it. Plugged the switch into the wall and pressed the on button, the lamp lit up. Then I pressed continue on the phone. The switch was blinking amber, for less than 30 seconds, then the phone fully recognized it and went on to the naming and setup options. It worked. Siri could turn the lamp on and off and adjust the dimmer. Also, using HomeKit, I set the lamp to turn on at sunset. Everything worked like magic. The only negative I encountered was one of the switches was not new. It was unsealed and had been handled. I had purchased and paid for new, not open box. That switch also would not connect to my network. After 3 tries, I did a factory reset on it. Then it worked just like the new one. Hopefully, it wasn't returned because it would not stay connected to the network or some other problem like that. So far, it hasn't given me any problem so far. I have not downloaded the Legrand app because it is doing the things I want just using HomeKit. Except for that open box thing, a great experience. I will buy a couple more and some of their wall switches.